Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. Shironiko Snap 0.6 times $3 current price, and within just 1 week of launching more than $300 million market for this meme coin. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. And is it possible that we can see major central exchange listing including Binance and in next year Mega Balloon? Is it possible that this $300 million market can be in maybe $3 billion or $30 billion here or not? So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. But friends, before that, if you like my content and if you want to watch more videos about meme coins, new 1000x potential meme coin, then you have to support Sky Crypto channel. I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, copy these addresses and support Sky Crypto channel for 1000x potential meme coins. Fresh Khan current price $603 and $300 million market already for this meme coin. This is awesome. At $7 million trading volume in last 24 hours, friend. This is awesome performance from this meme coin. 1 quadrillion supply, all circulation. This is a meme coin, Ethereum cat theme meme coin. Okay, as Ethereum has already dog theme meme coin, that is Shiba Inu, but I think this is the competitor of Shiba because this is a cat theme meme coin on Ethereum, and already awesome market cap and massive hype in crypto market right now. We are only 33% down in its all-time high that was 9 days ago, and its all-time low was 4 days ago, where from we are 45% up here. So performance of this meme coin is still normal. Okay, no too much dump or pump in this meme coin yet, so this is good. Gate.io, MEXC has listed, Axie.com, ByteXC has listed, Arbit and Bitmart has listed. So these are the central exchanges where this coin is already listed, and maybe it's possible that we can see soon it's listing on KuCoin exchange, because recently we saw many meme coins listing on KuCoin and also on Binance. Then definitely it's possible that Shirocoin can be the next listing for KuCoin, Bybit, and maybe for Binance also. And first, you can check out all further details about this meme coin on their website. You can see website is looking good. These are the some central exchanges mentioned here where this meme coin is listed, and you can check out all further details here. 17,800 holders for this meme coin within just 1 month of 1 week of its launching. So this is awesome performance from number of holders, crazy 17,000 holders. This is awesome, friends. You can see these are the top wallets that are holding this coin, and the most important thing about this meme coin, that's why I like this meme coin very much. You can see, friends, all wallet has less than 1% of supply. So this means that this coin is not a rug coin or a pump dump coin. This is very awesome looking coin. I can see number one has 0.9% supply. Okay, wallet number fifth is MEX exchange wallet holding only 0.7% supply. So this is awesome. There's no any wallet holding more than 1% of supply. So this is really awesome performance from this meme coin, and I think this is the only meme coin that I share with you on this channel that all supply holders has less than 1% of supply. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. So first, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that LSU coin has currently 3 zeros in its price, but in next year Mega Bullion, it's definitely possible that we can see maybe this meme coin with only 3 zeros. This coin has potential to kill these 3 zeros here and reach the price of 0.3 times 0.12 or something there, and its market can definitely reach maybe 3 to maybe $10 billion here, because as I already told you that Ethereum has already to many dog theme meme coins like Shiba Inu and many other, but Ethereum has no any potentially strong cat theme meme coin because mostly cat theme meme coins on Solana chain. But this can be the next Shiba Inu. Okay, it's possible that we can see its market from just $300 million to maybe 3 billion or maybe $10 billion, because this is, I think, most hype meme coin, most hype cat theme meme coin Ethereum chain. So it's definitely possible that we can see this market from just $300 million to maybe $3 to $10 billion here. But friends, I'm waiting for a few more days here because right now crypto market is not looking good. When I found this meme coin around $250 million market, then I'll buy this meme coin, because still I'm not holding this meme coin, but definitely I'm going to buy this meme coin for at least next 8 to 10 months from now, next year Mega Burn.